Hi, this is Kaylee O'Donnell, your event specialist with EventTitans. Today, I want to show you how simple it is to create an event with the EventTitans solution. First off, I'm going to log into my account. All right, so that will take us to our event dashboard. There are 3 steps that you need to do before you can get started with creating your event. First, you need to verify your email so that we can correctly send all communications to you. Next, you can link your Stripe or create your Stripe account as a form of payment. And third, you can create your company profile. After you've done these 3 steps, you can finally get started with your event creation. You can select Create Event from the dashboard or go to the Events tab up here. To create a new event, you would go over to this plus sign, New Event. And first, you'll be asked to fill out some basic event details. So we'll enter our event name. And then it will walk you through simple questions and information to fill out so you can start building your event. You can do an online event, you can fill out your event type, event category, etc. under event details. Now we can go to organizer details and you can fill out that information. You can also add any social media links that you would like your attendees to see. Your event can be regular 2D, virtual 3D, virtual 2D, or just an e-commerce site. You can select your time zone and how many days you want your event to be. You can make your event up to 7 days with our platform. Now, for simplicity's sake, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through an event that already has this information filled out. As you can see here, we've already completed all this required information. So next we can start configuring that event website, which is very simple. So first we're going to ask you about the tabs you want to have on your website. If you don't want an exhibitors tab or an agenda tab, you can easily remove those and re-add them. You can also edit these tabs with whatever you like. You can add tags, surveys, custom or template form. You can also add coupon codes, etc. And now you would go on to create your tickets. You have many options with your tickets. You can also decide on your start and end date for ticket sales. You can set your refund and cancellation policies. And here's where you can create your tickets. We have many options for our tickets that you can customize them as you need, but it's also still very simple to fill out. You can also choose what sessions that ticket type will have access to. This is very important because it allows you to restrict session type based on the type of tickets that attendees purchase. So next you can add your sponsor and exhibitors. You can add new one by clicking Add New. And this is the information that you'll be filling out. Your timeline, the details, and you can add speakers and different presenters, along with documents and much other information that's very helpful. So that is how you can set up an event with EventTitans. But there's still more. We offer a wide range of reports and different analytics to help you with your event review after the event. As you can see under this reports page, we have lots of different information, such as the most engaging attendees at your event, payment collected, your total sales, etc. Just a lot of info that you can go through. You can also manage your agenda. What's really cool about this is you can go to the number of attendees who attended a session, and you can actually see all the attendee information. Next, we'll go to challenges. Here you can see all the companies and attendees who competed in the challenges. You can evaluate the winner based on their total score. So this would be our winner here, the farm. And you can even see who nominated them. Looking right here. Next, we can go back to tickets. You can have iframe for tickets and view all of that kind of information right here. We have the results from the live polls. You can even manage your own email campaigns through our solution, which you can see here, and you can send them with credits. You can view all orders made by attendees and which attendee made the order. And if you want more information on attendees, you can go here and just see a ton of different information about the attendees from your event. You can also view orders based on item in your marketplace. And this is where our event gamification comes in. So you can choose what actions earn how many points for our event gamification. So say someone voted on a challenge, that gives them 5 activity points. With these points, attendees can earn rewards. And you can decide how you want to give out rewards by visiting here at Configure Rewards. You can also add FAQs to your help page right here. So that is just some basic information that you can go through for reports for your event, but there's still even more. So if you go to reports up here, there are very detailed tabs and just lots of information for you to review, such as booth visit count by user, affiliate orders placed, all of this information that is very helpful for review. You can access the CRM over here. So say I want to learn more about Shiva Vengala. We'll click on his account. And here is all his information. So you can see it keeps going. So you can be as detailed as you'd like. You can edit the information or add to it. You can also see the different surveys that he filled out and his responses. Here you can see all email communications sent to him, any rewards claimed, in this case there are none, any notes left. You can even rate your attendees, any orders they purchased, and any documents updated. So that is a lot of great information here. Then you can see it's really easy to import contacts as well. So this can be as complicated or as simple as you'd like to make it. It's pretty straightforward. You have your accounts, the marketplace where you can add new products or remove products. Here you can delve more into that email marketing campaign if you'd like. You can add surveys, and this is really helpful for after event if you'd like to send out a survey to gain feedback, or if you'd like to send out a survey during the registration process, whatever you'd like, you can do that here. You can use our custom templates, or you can just create your own. You can also add trivia for during your event, which makes it even more engaging and interactive. You'll have an evaluator, so if you have any quizzes or challenges, this evaluator will come in and help you score different answers. Now this is really fun. We have our virtual business cards, which are really great when networking, and you can easily just share all of your information by dropping a business card at exhibitor booths or when you're in the networking room for your event. So as you can see, this business card can hold a lot of great information, especially with this QR code that comes with it. You're able to have all this info, including your social media presence, if you would like, your address, etc. You can also add your logo and your profile picture here. And of course, we do have a task page, which just makes it even easier as an event organizer to help manage your event preparation and your tasks during the event. So that was a bit about the back end of EventTitans and how simple it is for you to create an event. Thank you so much for taking your time to learn more, and I hope you all have a great day.